Narrative essay example on leadership. Today, it is crucial not to lose your identity in the world of different thoughts and ideas. The challenges might be everywhere, and it is important to help other people in complicated situations, care for one another, and respect other people's opinion. I am a shy person by nature, and it is hard for me to take the initiative and ask people to do something. Thus, I was completely happy with my life and saw no problem in being an introvert with a small amount of friends, as I usually prefer to stay at home. I used to live in a small town for a while and attend an ordinary school, which meant that my insight into the world was somehow limited to a certain area. My loving parents have always protected me from the difficulties of the external world, which was great, as I was always assigned any troubles. Still, difficulties make people stronger. Life is unpredictable. Once my friends and I have decided to go to the picnic in mountains. The place we have chosen was far away. That is why we had to plan to stay overnight. The road was complicated, but everyone was very excited as the adventurous weekend was soon to come. In the car, besides my cousin Nancy and me, there was our friend John, his girlfriend Lindsay, and another friend named Kevin. John was driving the car, and we all have been singing all way to make the trip shorter and more interesting. When we have arrived to the destination point, we all were speechless due to the beauty of the nature we have been lucky to see in front of our eyes. The sunlight was playing with the curves of the mountain, making look as the sky was just a meter from touching it. Being a person who enjoys being alone or with not so many people, I found the place really beautiful, as it made me hold my breath. My friends are all different. If I can characterize myself as a shy and modest person, my cousin Nancy is a very bright individual who likes to party 24/7 and has a million of friends. John is very smart and calm, as he has been doing biological studies all his life, and his girlfriend Lindsay is much alike me. Kevin has good organizational skills and sees himself as a manager in the international company in the future. The first day at the picnic was great. We all had fun and partied until late night, dancing near the fire and cooking marshmallows. On the next day, we have understood that we were running short of wood and decided to go somewhere further into the mountains to find more bricks to use them for fire. As we walked, we all have been looking aside as the further we went, the more amazing nature became, with the solitary plants growing in some places. Thus, I was trying to remember the route and details, as usually I am very attentive and can easily concentrate. Concussion. When we have found woods, it was already time to get back. However, we all suddenly realized that we were lost. I was thinking to myself that I knew where to go, but being shy by nature, I just decided to remain silent and let the others decide. Nancy started crying and told that she will die from either dehydration or an attack of a wild animal. Kevin, who seemed to have good leadership skills, suggested to stay at that place until someone would find us. John proposed to make up some cover for the night. This was when I understood that everyone was at loss except for me, and I knew exactly what to do. This was my time to show myself as a leader. I asked my friends not to panic and follow me, as we had to have clear mind to find the way home. And you know what? When they coped with the panic, en route to Camp Tent, they started to recollect the details of the path, and we have managed to get back. It was very nice, as I have not only helped us to get home, but also understood that in the moments of weaknesses and challenges, it is important to be a leader even if it is not your natural trait of character. Moreover, the development of leadership skills is a top priority for me from now on.